Hi, I'm Nancy with MumMum's Bows. If you would have told me 2 years ago that I would be making and selling bows online, I probably would have laughed at you because I was not good at making bows. I didn't enjoy making bows. The bows I did try to make were pretty awful. And then one day someone gave me the Easy Bow Maker. I didn't know what to do with it, so I went to YouTube and I watched the video, watched another one, got me some ribbon, and I thought I'd give it a try. And after a lot of videos and a lot of practice, I got better and better and better and became more proficient at making bows. And I absolutely love making bows. And as you can see, I've learned how to make a variety of different bows, and I probably have a bow addiction. um, some of the bows that I make have just loops and short tails like this one. This one can be called either a whimsical bow or a funky bow. And then other bows like this one have full loops and tails. And then other bows, let's see, do I have one here? Oh, here's one. Has what I call corkscrew tails. And then there are some bows that I make, and I don't have one on the table here, that is the shape of a bow with tails. I like to try different style bows just to, have some fun with it. And I just love doing this. So I decided to open up a shop online at Go Imagine and make it available for people because actually I'm running out of storage space. And I've got to sell these bows that I keep making because I just enjoy it so much. I really enjoy making these bows. You can put them on wreaths and swags, decorate your banister, your lamppost, your mailbox, party decor. There's all kinds of things you can do with these bows. I do custom bows as well. You can ask me to make one and add tails to it or take the tails off. You can have a smaller size. Just anything. Get in touch with me and tell me what you're looking for, and if I can accommodate it, I will. So I guess that's it in a nutshell. That's how the shop got started. And so I'm Nancy with MumMum's Bows at Go Imagine. So thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you later. Bye.